Welcome to my channel reviews. One-time pricing offer launch only. Attract new customers every day on autopilot and make more sales and profits with the world's most powerful all-in-one digital marketing platform. Get the AI-powered platform that creates everything and anything you need to start, run and manage your online business in 60 seconds or less. With no recurring fees ever. Over 14 applications and 70+ essential internet marketing power tools, including an instant store builder and autoresponder, all under one dashboard. All for just a one-time price. Includes everything you could ever need to power your e-commerce: Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, SEO, email marketing, SMS marketing, and so much more, all under one dashboard. All inclusive, you get over 70+ essential tools inside more than 14 awesome pro apps for less than the price of one. All under one dashboard, one single login. Fuss and hassle-free and never have to worry about remembering multiple passwords again. All easy to find, easy to navigate, and easy to use. All effortless. Bundio's tools have been specially selected to make your everyday marketing tasks as effort-free as possible. All automated with Bundio. You will now be able to automate your everyday marketing tasks, including all communications, all lead getting, all social media, all SEO, and so much more. All IR clever integrated apps include the most advanced AI and advanced machine learning to help you to get the best results out of your marketing every time. All on us. Not only do you never have to pay for these applications individually, not one time or recurring, you don't even have to pay to host them. We've got you covered. All approved, no need to go through the trouble of getting multiple Facebook approvals. All apps are approved under one dashboard and no discontinuation or compatibility worries ever. All step-by-step and easy to follow tutorial included for every application, plus a searchable knowledge base for whenever and wherever you need it. All supported. All applications are backed by our rock-solid support and continuous development. All you need every day. Click here for instant access. Yes, I want Bundio now. Save yourself hundreds of per month on all the tools you need every day to power, run and build your business. And get free social traffic, free SEO traffic, free website traffic, and so much more. Only one application, only one single login. More than 14 apps and 70+ amazing power tools to power your day-to-day digital marketing and bring you in hordes of free traffic. All for one very low on-time price. Click here for instant access. Yes, I want Bundio now. No other all-in-one app has more features, more tools, more integrations, or delivers your results faster with advanced machine learning. Bundio empowers you to collect and manage unlimited leads, build and run a shop, store or e-commerce site, generate unlimited free traffic, automate your social media marketing, automate your communications, email and SMS, automate your engagement, automate your sales processes, send unlimited emails, boost your SEO with just one single line of code, turn free traffic into recurring buyers, and just one click automatically send broadcasts to people that like your ads and competitors' posts, turn Instagram fans into hungry email buyers by automatically getting emails from Instagram contacts, boost sales on Messenger or via DMS on Instagram, get emails and phone numbers from Facebook, run multiple figure launches, sell your product, course, content or training, build your authority, build your online presence and take your business to the next level. And so much more, all under one dashboard. No need to pay for multiple apps. No need to remember multiple logins. No compatibility or integration issues. Click here for instant access. Yes, I want Bundio. Now we get it. Those subscriptions keep adding up. You're paying out hundreds of dollars per month just to keep your business going. Doesn't it feel sometimes that you're paying out more than you're earning? Every single month rolls around and you've got yet another set of recurring fees for your marketing tools. Soon you realize that the tools you need for your business are starting to add up to hundreds of dollars per month. And those hundreds of dollars going out of your bank account each and every month is starting to eat into your profits. But the problem is you need those tools. They're essential. And not only that, they're responsible for bringing you in all that free traffic. If you want free traffic, you're going to need the tools. If you want to run a business, you're going to need the tools. If you want to make money, you're going to need the tools. Tools to set your business up, get started, make it faster, make it automated. Reduce tasks, get more leads and buyers. Grow your list, save time, save effort. Save money, fire unreliable freelancers. In e-commerce, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, SEO, email marketing, SMS marketing, and so much more. Bundio puts every single one of your essential online necessities on your desktop. Everything you could ever need for the success of your business, all under one dashboard. You click the link in the description below to order the product from the official website, and after that just send me the screenshot of your purchase to my Instagram. The link is below. Then I will send you the bonuses, free video courses and book courses on how to make money online.